Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Maybank2u cannot transfer. For that, the first thing that you must try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue still persists, then you head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar and then search for the Maybank2u app on your device, or you can also open it from your Play Store. If you cannot find it on your device, simply head over to your search bar inside of Play Store, search for the Maybank2u app, and then from here what you must do is open up the app on your device. Once you have opened up the app, what you must do is make sure that you are logged into your account and make sure that you have enough funds and have verified your KYC. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your app drawer, search for the app, long press on the app, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store and try again. If the issue still persists, then you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.